Now I want you to watch me create a conversion ad, and then after that I'm going to make a product catalog sales ad. Now these two require that you have your pixel set up and installed. So while you don't actually have that now, I figured it's a good idea to show you me creating these two types of campaigns now. But you're not going to be able to create them yourself until you've gone down and completed this section here. You've learned what the Facebook pixel is, you've created and installed a new Facebook pixel, you've checked it's installed correctly, and you know how to use the Facebook pixel in a conversion ad. So once you've done this, you'll then be able to do exactly as I'm doing in these next two videos. So let's create a website conversion ad, because I've already set up my pixel. So I'm going to be able to do this. So I'm going to create a campaign. I'm going to I'm going to use conversions. I'm going to call it Mermaids Are Awesome Example. I'm going to call it WC Example, which stands for Website Conversions. Again, I'm going to leave all this and pretend I've done it all properly. I'm just going to change the budget, and in fact I'm going to change this quickly to US. Women. And I'm going to put in a couple of I'm doing this properly actually because I am going to be using the data collected from the pixel later in the course for custom audiences and lookalike audiences. So it's important that I do at least try to target somewhat accurately the people that I believe will be interested in the website. I'm literally just crashing through all of this. You're going to take a lot more time than me, I hope. And now I need to select my conversion. I actually forgot to set it. I clicked continue, and because I hadn't set it, it reminded me we found one error: select conversion pixel. Your ad delivery cannot be optimized for conversions unless you make a selection. So this is the key part of any website conversion ad. You have to select what you're going to optimize it for. Now you can optimize it for view content, search, add to basket, add to wish list, initiate checkout, add payment info, purchase, lead, complete registration. I go through these in detail in the section about the Facebook pixel, as I talked about earlier in this video. I'm going to optimize this ad set for view content. I'm going to continue. And I'm going to create a carousel ad. I'm going to upload some images. In fact, I've already got some uploaded. I like to go for 3 cards in a carousel ad. These are called cards, by the way. Automatically show the best performing cards first. I like to keep this ticked. Just means the card, whichever of these 3 has the best click-through rate, is going to change the order of them so it appears first in the carousel. And you can also add a card at the end with your page profile picture if you like. There it is. I'm going to leave that. Now let's add some headlines. You have to make sure that you see this grey box. This means that it's specific to card 3, which is the third one along, this one. So headline. So I've just done that, and I'll do the very same thing for 1 and 2. This one's purple, of course. I like to use the description as a way or a place to add a little sales pitch. Not really a sales pitch, but an incentive. Free shipping today, so take action today. And now, as you'll see, we have destination URL. And this is where people are going to be taken when they click this particular, or rather this particular one because it's number 3, where they're going to be taken when they click this. So I'm going to go over to my online store. As you can see, I've not actually completed this store. I've only made it for this course. I'm not going to be using it properly. And I'm going to select navy blue. Number 2 is purple, so I'll select purple. And number 1 is red. In fact, I don't have a red one. You're going to be a lot more careful than me, obviously, and you're not going to advertise colours and sizes that you don't actually stock or sell. But just for example, that is where you put your destination URL, and you see more URL. You can either do the same again, or you could just link to your whole catalogue of products, or your About Us page, or whatever you like, really. Again, it's just a simple copy and pasting of a URL. Call to action, it's always good to put shop now if you're trying to sell something. If you're trying to get people to sign up to something, then it's probably best to use sign up. If you've optimized for leads, for trying to get emails or something. Okay, so the see more now I do need to purchase this URL or something similar, and I've just typed in mermaidsareawesome.com, and as you can see, it's changed here, just to show you what this bit actually changes in the ad creative. And finally, now that we've set up the carousel itself, we do want to add some text. Great customer service. Sorry, it's been slow and lagging a bit when I type, but I think it's because I've got so many tabs open. Great customer service, say free shipping or free returns or hassle-free returns or something like that. Just 3 points about your business and why people should purchase from you. Tends to work well, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't expect this ad to do very well at all, but that is how you set up a website conversion ad. The main thing being the conversion event in the ad set level and the actual linking to product pages in the ad creative level. It works best for me to, rather than show images of full collections or show my logo and have the destination URL being my homepage or my full collection, I always find I get better results by promoting a specific product to a specific audience and using the link to send people directly to the product page rather than to my homepage. That's something people do tend to forget and overlook for some reason. I'm going to place the order, and that is my website conversion ad done.